All right, Dan, so what are we making today?
Today we're gonna do a quick and easy chicken salad.
Gotcha. So what are we gonna need to be doing today?
Yeah, so first you're gonna need canned chicken, and you're gonna take the whole can and you're gonna put it right into a bowl.
Gotcha.
And canned chicken has good protein in it, you know, and it's dorm friendly, it's shelf stable, so it can last longer, right?
Gotcha.
Then we have a half a cup of mayo. You can also use Greek yogurt. I know people do that. I believe that mayo belongs in chicken salad, but you also can do Greek yogurt as well for that extra protein and calcium. So we'll add that in there.
Gotcha. All right, what's next?
And then we usually would put grapes in, but because it's not really dorm friendly, we actually can use raisins.
Gotcha.
So you can pour as much raisins as you actually want in there.
All right, we'll just...
Perfect, beautiful.
That's good.
Now, last but not least, we're gonna cut up some celery, okay? Celery, I think, makes the chicken salad dish. So first we cut off the tops. We don't wanna eat those, and we definitely don't wanna eat the bottoms either.
Gotcha, so we'll cut it off right there.
Yep.
And right there.
Perfect. And then what I usually like to do is I would put them together like this, and then I would cut them.
Gotcha.
That's perfect. Yep, I would say that's good enough.
Nice. And then just throw that all in?
You'll throw it all in, yep.
Gotcha.
And then I usually would do season with salt and pepper to taste, because sometimes canned chicken can be a little bland. Yeah. So I usually like to throw some spices or seasonings in there. It's totally up to you.
Then you said throw some pepper.
Perfect, and once you got that all situated, you can now mix it.
All right, just gotta start mixing.
Yep, just start mixing it. And usually what's really nice about this is it's quick, it's easy, there's no heating of anything together, and also you can put it on tortillas, you can put it on bread, you can make a sandwich from it, you can also just dip crackers in there or eat it plain, because I know many people like to do that as well.
So if we didn't want to use chicken, what other canned meats would you recommend?
Yeah, I think the only other really one I would probably want to do in something like this would be tuna salad, which would just literally be tuna instead of canned chicken.
Gotcha.
And they're both really high in protein.
Gotcha.
And once that's mixed up, you're all ready to go if you wanted a taste test, or we can get you a tortilla.
All right, I think it looks good. Let's see what it tastes like.
Okay.
Good.
Not bad? Okay, beautiful.
All right, Dan, thanks for showing us how to make this dish.
Of course.
All right, and if y'all want to make this dish too, post it on your Instagram and tag us at UTRY, and we'll see you next time when you try cooking.
Bye-bye.